As a hammer thrower for the Boise State women's track and field team, Kendra's goal is to throw a 4 kilogram steel ball attached to the end of a long wire as far as she can. To throw the hammer far, one must embody strength, balance, and timing in an event that requires nearly perfect form. However, her success in this sport didn't just appear out of thin air. It was an accumulation of 6 years of training, dedication to her busy schedule, and constant support from her family and the place she calls home, Boise State University. Let me name a select few of her honors and awards. NCAA Division I Track and Field Scholarship Athlete for the past 5 years. NCAA Division I All-Academic Athlete Award. Mountain West All-Academic Athlete. Idaho Governor's Cup Scholarship. I have no hesitation in predicting that Kendra will be a rock star of the academic world. She does it all. Perform high quality research. Represent Boise State University as a track and field athlete. Most importantly, she carries her responsibilities with great compassion for the mission. She has received several academic honors. She was the recipient of the 2019 Tau Beta Pi Laureate, an award given annually to gifted engineering students who have excelled in areas beyond their technical majors. Graduating student leader and a top 10 scholar. Science, engineering, and art are just facets of the same thing. If you can engage your research from the eye of an artist, the eye of a scientist, the eye of an engineer, it may allow you to access a broader population with the education or with the ideas that you are moving forward. For example, let us think for a second about Da Vinci and what made him so unique. How could he be a great artist, scientist, architect all at once? We think of him as an interdisciplinarian because of his many fields of accomplishment. Perhaps the reason Da Vinci could accomplish so much is because he didn't see it as interdisciplinary at all. He saw the similarities among his projects, not the differences. Participating in several programs and clubs has helped Kendra to become a well-rounded student. I will highlight her passion for trying new things and bringing positive energy to all environments and making an impact in all her endeavors. Kendra's research potential is huge and proven. She is already doing independent research to create, perform, and analyze the molecular self-assembly. As a part of her research, she is developing theoretical solutions, writing technical reports, and presenting her results to her research team. She has developed technical skills in several high-end programming languages and systems. She worked with Dr. Eric Jankowski, an assistant professor in the Micron School of Material Science and Engineering. She had the privilege to use the largest academic supercomputer in the US to study nanoscale self-assembly. She received prestigious Blue Waters internship and was invited to Peterscale Institute at National Center for Supercomputer Applications. She secured funding for 1 year to pursue research in Dr. Jankowski's research group. I'm grateful to Dr. Jankowski for his mentorship and helping Kendra realize her dreams. Her research and internship endeavors with the Computational Materials Engineering Lab, NASA Ames Research Center, Applied Materials, and Carnegie Mellon University resulted in 4 publications and 3 poster presentations. Outside of athletics and academics, she immersed herself in the campus culture through clubs and community service. She was the president of the Tau Beta Pi Engineering Honor Society and a track representative on the Student Athlete Advisory Committee, an amazing organization focused on maximizing the student athlete experience. They organized mental health initiatives, motivated kids at the Ada County Juvenile Detention Center to participate in sports, and even buddied up with children with disabilities. She considers being part of Boise State a privilege, and she readily took on the responsibility of representing her institution everywhere she went. Outside of the university, she judged 4-H competitions and encouraged girls to pursue careers in STEM. Kendra epitomizes what it means to be a Bronco, a trailblazer. Attending school in her hometown and representing Boise State through both athletics and academics was a dream come true. Her education, wide array of research experiences, and team player mindset from sports will immensely help her in this next chapter of her life. She plans to pursue a PhD in computational neuroscience to help those with neurological disorders and hopes to eventually become a project manager in the private research industry. Her experience at Boise State University, whether in engineering, sports, or community involvement, has molded her into a role model for all current and future Broncos.
Come on, Kendra! Let's go, Astro!
That is up.